if you are not a commercial gardener, and who is maintaining a home garden or terrace garden. I highly recommend you to plant seeds in a seed tray. In this video, I will show you one of the best ways of using a seed tray without damaging the plant or tray, so you can reuse it again and again. Wrong practices may damage 1. Your plant and the roots. 2. Seed tray, and you won't be able to reuse it again. This is a wrong practice. See how much trouble it causing to remove the plant. Even sometimes, we have to turn the tray upside down, and which may damage the other plants in the tray and damage the tray as well. So we won't be able to reuse the tray again. This is something that happened to me. See, the seed tray is damaged because of wrong use. You need few strings, little amount of coir dust, soil mixture, sand part 1, compost 1, and topsoil 1. I'm going to plant lady's finger seeds. Important, put the string as you can see in the video and put some coir dust to it. Then fill the seed tray cup by soil mixture. Put the lady's finger, or okra, seed a half centimeter inside and cover it with the soil. Now gently put adequate water. Daily give some adequate water to the small plants, and if you want, you can use organic insect repellent 5 days a time. After a few days, the plants are ready to take out from the seed tray. As you see in the video, gently pull the plant from the string. It will easily come out. So as you can see, it minimizes the root damage, and now you can directly put it into the pot or ground. Just practice and see how convenient is the string method to protect your plants and seed trays. Thank you for watching my video. Keep in touch for the next video by subscribing to my channel.